Church Christowi Mingli Yamailo Yamayse in Palagaire Ajibri Rani Tumli Hikitak Adam Midaitum Avigitara Shimli Razang like a quorum room Adam Sampang Sabibang Gala Talagana Tangkhul Baptist Church we Yaugahoma Iwiningishi Pungshok the Leaziana Pulbiti Chikakami Wang Geruntum Sai Gorolila Ebrawi Sok Ming Saranu Remake up the Naka Tarmiauga Tumgitana military key Kirasalu is equal to the opening the lere Ningly Ungaila Kirasalu is equal to the opening the lere Yazon Tangji he short term training akhle the Jiwang Katane Sangakara Maharashtra Bakpalaga Kopsang Laga Kong ne Hili Mapamli Mere only ore next week Chitarmi Hangane Are we Bible Bame Vunala Tala in the Bami Haire Philippians chapter 2 verses from 3 to 5 Achina Counseling psychologists get them now a perspective. I know. Ning we meramli tell a base salagamating. I Jenny with topic in Ajit had a grand headily having the mind of Christ. Reshia Sadetum. She Christo with Ningji. Itum Lee Clay is your Bonglina. Shalaganam thing idly. Shalagan is he. Pukmakai and I have a sang by saying that Piomil sang Adam something together. Delka, Kesa Salalantumna, Pierre Samilo. Itum sugar say assassin. Revra, you be Tankamayana. No way carrying a dui, Mamatuila. Cover of Ranana. Itum laying an act, Sakangai, Madu can Sakangai in the Rao Illicit in the as in a tornana. But do you local and other Radam Stemilota? Jishu Mingli Seaksana. Amen. Okay. Send it to another having the mind of Christ. What is the mind of Christ? Shukristawi Ning or Shukristawi Gap Ning Hiva Kikla Datumna define Sadam Saram. That is just operational definition. The mind of Christ is Christian thinking. It to me, Russia study to me, Kapning Jukumachu, Kazilika Hangne. She Christowi, Kapning Hiva, it's humility. Awili, Hamgasang, Tagwi Gahazi, Laye. The mind of Christ is love. She Christowi, Kapning Jukumachu, Itumli, Awi Kapning Jukumajuziva. The mind of Christ is to do good. Kapa sami ngai mang ji winning le, she Christo winning. She Christo winning li hango. Then she Christo winning liva. She pa sami ngai akali odram ngutmi ngai. Hangazan akali. Mishai mi mang ngai. This is the mind of Christ. Then she Christo wi gapning hiva. Adam gijida awi wang mang ma pning la. Mi wi wang la. Sort no being wala, Paning Kamiji, Oilile. The list can go on. Yeah? Ungava by free. Jena Taka, do we have the mind of Christ? Itum he, Shukristowi, Kapaning, Jukumajuzi itum lila, Zangdalela. As a Christian, Reshiak Sada, in principle, yeah? In principle, lay itum ninglila itumla Russia can exhibit, but in practical life very difficult to practice. Are we hangai so Christiano are we happening young humilities legacy to kami only practical liver saklage chena ina conclude kasava chung khamaya li itum hi chi Christo winning ji tumli Christian thinking hi paningi ji baliva self Gizibahi, Chung made the penning to your 90%. He itum me clip the mangly focus at we how is iwi dong za khwai isi dong za khwai a isi gi ji bali I gi ji bali focus sa 10% as a Christians itum hi su Christoi kapaning chu khamaju the mind of Christ is in us chena ra itum da thai se gi je itum mi problem hi gi ji we na aga thada ra gi ji ara itum da paila kai na detect sa ba ye gi 90% hi ba itum mi yang sa ngai itum mi kumui itum mi nawi or you self mangli paning ga hai saran ka thawra itum society problem jikali rakhla ji itum ina mahang la ji itum na thei yang itum bi klatali marna project sa khai ji chena ina hili hang ngai Bible and psychology mi maramli lak teu kha pan ngai dele is arwe hi tori psychology sui topic mu gi jem nim le ka dalala psychologist hila Bible lizang jine Bible lila hila jine jeni hi thing sangai modern psychology hiwa 100 plus year modern psychology discover ra sa hi singum shaka teu langai re jine hila psychology his raga phawi duine jine jeni long before the modern psychology was born the Bible views the mind as a controlling behaviors psychologists are modern psychologists si mararang la ka Bible na ya psychology si matui haira sai idumi ning hina idumi ka sakha ba ka tong hi control kali sakla je kham ning hina control sai ge je hi Bible li mar sakena ke behaidale as a man thinks in his heart so he is Proverbs chapter 23 verse 7 and KJV ba ka to hear his sampangi yang chena you will become what you think in your mind nahi nana ka phning ji thada na ji thada onra gi chena ri Bible li Proverbs li hangai de khlei hi miya khana ka phning ji thada ala ji thada ra shok ge ji hi Bible li sangdale long way before the modern psychology was born hi hangai ne yang chena ji shu Christian la Matthew chapter 13 verse 33 li ka behaidle ka pha thing rong jina ka pha thai ma thei chakashi thing rong jina chakashi athai ma thei yang verse 35 li 13 we Matthew 13 we 35 li the good man brings good things out of good store up in him ka pha mi jina awili ka phangmang le hawi da awili an otsak sa ka shok jiwa ka phamang sa soge the fruit of the spirit awili khamathamang shoge jine come the evil man bring evil things out of evil that store up in him maka phaji awili storeroom li leo da awi sa ga shok otsak dong jiwa jagashi negative mang sa shoke jishunal hangai de any to me ning hi oga thakla jeka hili ka lekhle je Romans chapter 5 verse 8 5 to 8 li la pa ka jil la sampang re chena arui etum li arui maka phaji store up sai ka maka phasa ka phasa ka phaji sa shoke ge ji he ya Jesu Christian la hang dale psychology says psychology speaking la hi da hangi if you think only negative your action will be negative nana negative makhamatha ji bang shun nga ya da muchuk pam da le kha nala maka phaji no wi otsagai na shasok if you think only positive your action will be positive chena naw binglim ta lai na tam ji thailo awu ba bing ji da hang da khli hi bang ne naw mangali ma khrar ji thailo ji hi bang ne ka hang ba nana maka phaji paning ka maka phasa khamathaji nana paning shon de lekha khamathaji mangli nana machuk laga positive thinking ji le de lekha your action will be positive na wi sag shok pa ji la na khamatha ji sa shok ra china eli psychologists mean hang the difference between pessimist and the optimist yang pessimist and optimist we khang dei ji khikhla je kham pessimist na hange shulai ne haunge oh ajula ka singro lu yare ya ninga ka chai aju jimi shoga tongi wagi ji la shoyare khonshi gi ji nim la Yeah. Kaji he pessimist reviews. Ka optimist naga thada views akla jeka weather ba hili. Oh, it's raining. Free car wash. It's a good day. Yeah. Kanga daisy. Oh, ajiga kasing rodele. Free car wash. Iwi karila. Pyo mi aire. Oh, ajihi kamata simik shone jong. The kuye. Nga day the lego mikhanizia. Where are you? Na ihi kaling the lake. Are you pessimist Christians or optimist Christians? No we kapaning jo kamajuli nahi yang negative mang kapaning pessimist Christian ng sad lega, positive mang kapaning optimist Christians ng sad lega. Ili answer ma milan la nakalata ng hangalog. Study shows that optimistic people live longer. Yang studies li kayang tara to mi katem tang kamay bing na studies kasali. Optimistic salak hay mi bing hina. Adumi mirin la sang may da okpay da hange. Ning gajot pa ji chung may da malayla. Ring pa jing hao gada adumi mirin karing karagla. Sang may da hange. Sang may da hange. Chena, as Christians, be positive. Brescia kasada itum positive sasi. Itu mi kapaning jo kamajuji positive sasi. Be positive. Yeah, pai. Kijibahi hangse. Kijibaji mama tamane. Kijibaji mning. Yeah, pai. If you're thinking positive, you will be happy all the time. Nawi kapaning jo kamajuji positive sadale ka. Na tam gajida ring pa jingre Bible li Philippians chapter 4 verse 3 li ring pa jinglo de itum li kapi hai da le. Rana itum ni ning zang ba ji ba na chap jing lo ma jim ne ring pha jing lo ji ne kha itum mi problem ba itum na o khanang khui ji ne ya itum o khanang khui ji ne. Remember Romans chapter 8 verse 28 ya. Remember Romans chapter 8:28. The worst situation you're facing now, maybe who knows, blessing in disguise ya. Blessing sada ajuna na sambang dagle iwi situation mama thamne iga thadai thadok thyo glag ji hinana complain masalo kham ajuna na sambang dagle o ajuna na sambang dagle ajuna wi situation mama tha salala khangathuma sokhmi ji rara ji hidum phaning laga itum ren phase. So don't complain. Okay, itum complain masase run itum ba khamatha ga chung ran mi haidle we are impatient itum mangrai ngai mane chibang katot na la ya sakui la itum marin lik chung kha oka kanang sam ka phang chiu bang ne chena itum rally atham ga ji da masot mi ga shaba vreshing asase. That is Christian mindset. Chi revrawi or Christian akwi kapaning chu khamju ji lei ya. Who are you? This is question in the who are na hi bagla zaga nahi ki bagla jaga dong na I evo Mr. Ene Mr. Pine dang re kaina ba I object because it's just the physical presentation. Psychology sa da ali hang lo jiga nahi ki bagla jaga psychologist pa jin hang re jiga I doubt ya nali nan ene ji I doubt sai ki wangla jaga mirror li na yang da khle mirror li yang thor ji de yang da la jung thor lo tum tong mirror li yang kula rang yo li yang la rasar ji ni yang da khle ba ji la na maning mane ji manonga ya psychologist bin hang da ji ba ji la na maning mane ji da ga I maning ga ki ba da ji da la question ba ya I maning ga ki ba khlo ji. Some of us sitting here physically idum he physically idum hilibam dale kha idum meaning ba our mind is wandering in a commercial street kaji thabing ba idum meaning hi commercial street li zadale kaji thabing ba Delhi li zadale idum meaning hi kaji thabing ba Mumbai li zadale idum meaning kaji thabing ba Manipur li zadale ye ya kala idum hilibam dale kaji thabing ba idum mind ba hi aro United States of America li zadale ji ne yaw thui zadale kaji thaba phasal ning le hilibam dale ji ne ba. What is in your mind determine who we are. Itu meaning like na ihi ki pakla the kapaning na ihi ki pakla ji na ihi thing sagi ji. Taka what is in your mind? No meaningly kisang da lekla re no winning Larry Hilly the lake la. Zipas Hoklo Jizza. Ari Hilly it igdog bumdele, Anna overhead projector he capped the clean, yeah? Jen no winning Ji, Pansang Hilaga Hilly, Pansang Hilly Capsi Zigatara. Itum Gazigatabing. Young, no winning the young laga, project like up, may young rumre. Mobam layam choklas and raisin, because our mind is not clean. It meaning he, but harmony, Magaturning, I do, the ning it rotates salagam. Our mind is not clean. As a Christians, we need to empty our fallen self nature or self. It to me, Bresciak said it to me. Kapaning to come to Hilla. Itum Masaigong High is up from her. Itum me away I at the main if we fallen nature jitum Masaying suck from her. Gilla, Christowi, Merin Gatar, Ningatar jitum, the Rugatar Hagasanta to me, glassly Hasansi. Gachama Baji Haituolo, Gatar Baji, boring the new water, which is the mind of Christ. China, Galatians chapter 2, verse 20, Lihange. Not me, but Christ liveth in me. Aro ring the Kalehi, evening lumine. You wake up to come to evening lumine. Bresciak said, Ka, she Christianly ring the Kalehi. Galatians chapter 2, verse 20, Likipi, not me, but Christ liveth in me. Chivangina, Hili, born as a pastor, as a psychotherapist, teaching us cognitive therapies. Itum pang room sari. Philippians chapter 4 verse 8. Philippians chapter 4 verse 8. Finally, brothers, or I paraphrase sisters, whatever is true, whatever is noble, whatever is right, whatever is pure, whatever is lovely, whatever is admirable, if anything is excellent or praiseworthy, think about such things. Think about such things. Chigataji muchuklo, kamata, kamataji muchukse, think about such things. If you think only these things every day, you're good. Ito mi, hilizang dakale. Arif Philippians chapter 4 verse 8 dakale. Ito mi ning he muchuk dale kam, you are good. Your mind is clean. Na he Christowi kapaning ning jino ililay dale gitum. How can we have the mind of Christ? Itum he Christowi ning he itum gathadaling sakrakla itum liga thadaraza sakrakla gaji question la sabai unless you empty your cup. No we how dot kai no we gup ji all nature ji all self ji mai thurang la kain dang da taru ga thar ji marasang pai mane chena itumi kachama kapaning ju kum ju ji tum hai chu hai laga. Let's fill in the new fresh mineral water, which is the mind of Christ. Hit dargar say every day. It's every day. Kachama ji hai chu hai laga kathar ji. That's why meditation comes. Bible gapa. Yeah? He grane vresyak sadidum saprungi ji hine. Chena, what happened when we have the mind of Christ? Ka thau ko leitum na si Kristo wi ka pning ji lek hai saran na I ka thau. Wow, interesting. Yeah? Itum si Kristo wi ka pning ji lek hai ka we are not selfish. We think like Christ. Itum selfish mashalui mane. Si Kristo wi da itum pning hawe sine. Yeah? Paul instruction. Do nothing out of selfish ambition, efficient. Philippians chapter 2 verse 3 we easily park it something young. Do nothing out of selfish ambition. What is selfish ambition? In a Kerala 1994 BD Hastam the Laka Sangai ya. BD Hastam the Laka Konek Nawaka young Konek we now Miyaka he yung so no best friend ne. Ahi tum bitupam ng funny la salagi ka ara Gerela being Malayalis being Hinaka Atom he dowry me he. Tadanga Zeklas Hagen, oh, dowry me. Minu la Kuyko, Lavuz in the Lactram, easy me. Oh, and I ring so bad Ilum Malayaling Alana, Akuyor, Zikrano, Kigano, Zikrano, Ialiquira, Lactrasum, you know, Ile Lactrasum, E. Kong Adam Litanora, Tanora, the Balactravam Lago Ungora, Laka, Parmaputra Ungsung Zena, Honey, Hiliralo, Kamatakale, the Taylor Gazili, rocking the wind, commonly gradually, numb down reasons. Parmaputra numb down resi, like our own origin pays as a singer. Sikaumo, Lama Matatu with her, and a Gahani, yeah? Pongdao ambition was very selfish. Nimla, awi ambition is so selfish. He don't love the girl. Yeah, avashina jili lekshim nim de ka, paisa ba jili lekshiko. Keep in mind, he want to become rich. Ashangai. Jeni to mihila. Some people come to church with different agendas. Idum church raga gahila different motive, different agendas like itum raga sare. Yeah, ila sangta nala sangta. Some people come to church to see beautiful girls and handsome boy. Church like rai kajika bing bangba. La kamata, mayor kamata, rakayang. We modify na krala sange. Masang manajin mahamra sange. Only maham nimne. Kajika some people come to church because they want to become rich like Bongdao. Because it's happening Shanghai how church rakai. But they don't love Jesus. Just believe a Malaysia. Paisa Babalishi, how the church Liragaj. Jishubal Lakeshim, Paisa Balilishi, how the Judas' ambition was to follow Jesus was money. Manimla Judas Najishuli, Gashur Hiva, Paisa Wang, Shanghai, Juvain at the end he sold Jesus. Anna, now Lijishuli Anna, yours how he was very, very selfish. What about us? Itum gadhagla. Are we selfish? Itum is selfish sala. Nakhala tu mang paning dakle selfishness sala. We don't like selfish people in the church, in the society. Meaning la itumi ngajai itumi society itumi friendship itumi church selfish people itum maning jang mane. Itum maning jang mane. We don't like selfish, but we have a good number of selfish people in the church. Problem baba. Itumi lungli church selfish we see the power took over in the church. Yeah, pangshabui se bengu kundale inda. Nemla. TBCB Bangalore li kahang ning mukho, but back home simba kahang ne. Isi TBCB believers being palage, paye. We are baptized with the lemon juice. Itu lemon juice li baptized ay very clean, super clean. Yeah, itu mi mori ko tong na piaw tayo itu ma. Itu we are very clean. Itu mi lijik thamal lemene. Church do nothing out of selfish ambition. Yeah, church bereshitum sadak le vadak le to itum selfish ambition jeli masase. Those who have the mind of Christ need to give up selfish ambition. Si Kristo winning itum likalay saigora itum ili iplungre gibi no itong zakavay mang kapaning itum her house her high plungre kakanili we can live in humility, act like Christ. Itum ili si Kristo winning jikalay just run we can live in humility. Itum malung khanim haygas khamgasang yang takui kahay jili itum oktui shabrem. Verse 3, Philippians chapter 2, verse 3, be barley. Consider other better than yourself. Nahangaydali, nakhalatali, akhali, pamaya the paning roglo. Kasi hey, Bible li hangaydali. Pride and selfish cause all the disunity. Ito mili langgaso ningay razang haika. Or iwi ilagi kiju selfish motive razang haika. Jili, how ko pok na ito mi kok kamagasa. Jili harahaw ko pok na. China, the fall of Adam and Eve. Aya daw totor na lahangi. Adam and Eve, you rajang sono with you to Mr. Manang, the evil razang ay in the Peningung. Adam and Eve, Yanka, it says, it wasn't me. Adam and Eve, conclude Adam Isran, Morega Sadam. if more masamane edam na hang diang imaning ne kha if nda ai no tum if ning go in the hang baba if nda complain sai Jesus Christ wi sa khang tu bing la kharang roge the issue of I am better than you in a lim thame or in a matame in a liver or in a themme yegzi issue ai na tum la kharang roge account lay kaji issue ji Jesus Christ na tu mi pay pyo mi la resource awe ya Jesus Christ na tu mi atumi akhwana resource awe pay pyo ko me tangkhul nau bing tangkhul problem lang ka sone ait ya abait kaji hi tangkhul li sak hai ne hi le ye ka da idu me lang ka tha da Mr. B na ili pha mai bai gi do kaji ya Mr. A na ili pha mai bai gi do ima thang mai khare lan la i le mai khare iwa kama thamang si jene ava Shivaji Nagar wi phai khop dong laga ba iwa Phoenix Mall wi Adidas or branded kim mai glat tong e laga na ili ma thang mai da ba ka ji song ka ba iwa ya ava Thursday market wi ga san ga zon ga vai dai inda ya iwa Garuda Mall wi ya mango or jackfruit or watermelon we brand nga vai ginda nimla iba chinga vai ya chiga thawi brand conscious style ga isims kama thali bomde apartment li bomde avaslam li bomde kada da nai li ma tha pha mai bai ra ga pride lang so ningai le hai ra ga masa bai mane to society if you have the competitive mind, yeah? No, really, you have competitive mind, you don't have the mind of Christ. No, really, you competitive mind, you don't have the mind of Christ. Your thinking is not Christians. No, we you cannot consider other better than yourself. Yeah? Next to impossible. You need to empty your cup. You need to empty. Yeah? No we background, no we get hem gasang at the kamata psychology, masagong hang saglo. You can consider other better than yourself. Najihi born hilitam midaklane. Yeah? Born hili. You can consider other. Always think there is good in every person, that you value every person. That is Christian thinking. Paning loje. Itu misai korhi kapha abu le sare ya miya ko ili kapha abu le sare kapha ji tum project sa laga itum yengse ba kapha ji le mingse kapha abu le sare ji he itum machuk laga value sa se ji Christian thinking that is the mind of Christ ji Shri Krishna vi kapha tamane ju kam ji what happened when we consider other better than yourself itum na Ihili namatame, iliva namatame, the consider Sakai Damsran. That how, Chi reaction Jigat Haklam. For example, Taulakson le hang away in New Wikrajan. Taulakson he kamata min. Eva awiyak kamagashum. Awi kamatayak imasaramane. Awi kamataga chungalegi, Taulakson the inner. Hang babame, the hang lahange, Mili lahange, to be frank. Yeah? Ima thamai khara dina khiba project ma samne sada daw election la ili staw thari hi phai ili ba anam thami abong chung goli ana ili phak mai le ji ma ju khau ya ina la daw election ni phai de ma ju khau jag ini ji ga tha ini sam ga banga dam saran kharang rok la vai sing rok khai ni ini yang sam ga banga dam saran vai sing rok khai ni ini wi a khai na respect hi mar na ida Lagi sinawsang ko pangda mini vaising ro chamang rum laga ngathan gain yang sambang laga han ga thui tharan na as taulai tai sini kamatha midei hita dei de samga pang tong le hang taulai sin la as taulu thori kamatha midei da hang rok chili vreshini hili hang that is goal edification chili edification hoye Vreshing to me purposive, Vreshia can do that sarcasm, edify sang rock loginda, not to mark high nagi, but Taigi, Mini Hangmoron mill, restaurants come Matagli Baga, Wapazaga, Zapai is in Sono being Mahang Mimla, Hanga Mitada, it to mark high hanging rock, Amatade, Sakashipa Mahango, edify sang rock. This is Christian thinking. Itum, she Christowi, ning ji thum li like hai saran itum ham ga sang merin takui ga hai merin humility le itum ping shabre ko brotherly when we can think and live like Christ itum ni Christ we kapaning ji le hai rakha we can live we can think and live like Christ your attitude should be the same verse 5 li hangai dele Philippians chapter 2 verse 5 li hangai dele your attitude should be same to same yang same ge ji itum hangai lagi yang khili same je ga selfless service awi malung khaniam ta da awi tha da sa se ni idumi ju khomaju ka phaning o sak sai go ri awi tha da sa se Christ likeness begins in the mind shi Christawi shi Christa ka sa ka bai shi Christa ka da idum ok tu hi khamorai nam nim ne migai nam nim ne aphai nam nim ne abangai nam nim ne it begins in the mind itumi ju khomaju hi ni we can love shi Christawi ka phaning ju khomaju le ka hai saran we can love idum le ki shi le bai yang give love and get love yang give respect and get respect simple logic yeah logic is simple salage athava mayaw sang laga khayun ba ga chung ga sampang ngai gi ji ka phaning mi ji ma sang mane kali sampang ura athava mayaw sang laga mnem la idum loi ka bawi background li ra sare iliva mi ki ba khana ma le shi mane so meaning lia chiwi ka khalat ba nala mi ki ba kali ma le shi mane like shiji no we na hobok lo you we na hobok sak say don't expect people to love you you first love people staka na dile mina feedback chira we can forgive when we have the mind of Christ so Christo ga bning je like hai sarani tum pheu mi shabe why we can't forgive others why ne tum pheu mi shamagla because we inscribe or write in the mistake of others on stones idon mi khang dewi chakashiba ji wa yang ngasot nau bing we of idumi neighbors bing we chakashi pakhama tha ji wa ngulung guili ka bi hai gi ji mangamit lui gi ji idumi khyon khambang ba nawi khyon ba iwi khyon ba taru dong li ka bi hai gi ji yang idumi problem ne we don't give the record of our mistakes ji khalat ba iwa nawi khangui ji ba nawi weakness ji ba na ba ma ka bi hai min record ma lai min kha neighbors we na shot no we or ma miya khawi ba ka pa mistake ba ji ba na ba record hai de lai hi hai la khai nang da we cannot forgive china we can destroy that record when we have the mind of Christ Jesus Christ we ning ji tum le ra ga jang saran ji we record ji tum na phak tin phit khai la ga siman na sa khai bai then we can forgive and leave one another forget and forgive forgive and forget simali bai mane ngulung guili ki bihai gam nim la monalit ki bihai la hai gam sa bai mane etum supply number 6 now my tweet we can do every good things when we have the mind of Christ in us idum na ka pha ga chung ga sa shabe idum ji Christ we ning ji tu mini lai hai kam we can do everything is in it idum na sa shabe ka pha ga tong le idum na sa shabe Philippians chapter 4 verse 13 li balo I can do everything ji dia everything ji ka tonga in sa shabe through Christ chi Christ na iling so ka mi ji mangai na in sa shabe chi Christ we ka phaning ji we le ke ji mangai na in ka pha sa shabe ke ji he itum phaning say we can do every bad thing when we don't have the mind of Christ idum na takashi la bakam da you can't imagine sakashi la sa shabe chi Christ we ka phaning Christian thinking ma khala dam saran idum na takshi mai kap ga ja mi on by na la ya criminals on by church worshiping let us have the mind of Christ idum tam ka shuga consider salaga let's read those back idum yang se idumi idum yangung se yang idum yangung se nagaling ning de le na ji Christ we ka phaning ju kham ju le de le la or ji maning ka na hi kasi ka tha ning phaning de le khle Christ likeness begins in the mind is it ji Christ we thada ok tu hi idumi ka phaning li ju kham ju li hau phok Chena no chakamazu ka pening ji third layla. Nagaji ka ning pening the layla. It will be thought life see mushung the pok thui the layla. Ayatum beauty of mind. Lay the layla no ili. Malay saka itum reshiak sad arwing authoritum hangapat atam. Pikalaga. Rivra isayon sala pening langai re ili piao milo. Ili hui milo. Ajoin a thui laga. Rivra no ka pening thada. If Reshika say, I'll do. It's a Christian thinking. Christian. Yeah? Reshia ko ika panig come to the Isara gaji. Edum decision ko ilaga. Ajung authority wena zat kafai sasi. Yena. Christ likeness begins in the mind. Not your mouth, not your hands, not from your feet. It me ning di how ko ni any to me thought lives it third high prong re. Psychology. Prawi so coming sarno tam lag sang kwere chingwe nang